So today we are going to have a look at email sending and email capture tools. All right. So email sending and email capture tools is very important if you want to go ahead and capture emails, which is lead generation. And then you want to go ahead and send out emails to all these people, right? So how many of you here have tried email marketing before? Let me know in the chat box. Have you tried email marketing before? And have you are probably here because you received an email from me, right? You are probably here because you received an email from me, and you are going to be on this webinar. And email marketing is one of the primary revenue channels for my business. But how many of you also felt that email marketing is very costly? Let me know. How many of you have felt that email marketing is very costly? Yes, MailChimp and Aweber and all these tools actually cost a lot. So what I have discovered is that I have discovered a very low cost email marketing tool, which is I'm going to share with you today. And I'm also going to show you a tool which I have developed by myself. It's called Opt-in Chat. And this particular tool called Opt-in Chat is something that you can go ahead and use for your own business. And how many of you here already have a website? Let me know. Do you already have a website? Yes, just type yes in the chat box if you already have a website. Fantastic. So a lot of people seem to be having websites here already. And if you have a website and if you have visitors to your website, then you want to capture the emails of the people who visit this website, right? If you have a website, you want to capture the emails of people who visit this website. So I'm going to show you this tool called Opt-in Chat and how Opt-in Chat works. All right. So that's what we are going to focus on this webinar. And I'm also going to show you an email sending tool, which has an amazing offer right now. And you will be able to, get it for very cheap as well. All right. So let me show you optinchat.com. So Opt-in Chat has a free version, but it also has a paid version. Free version is very limited. And I will show you how Opt-in Chat works. So this is optinchat.com, and you visit optinchat.com and you will see that there is an Opt-in Chat right here on optinchat.com. So if you click on this, then it shows a pop-up. So how many of you have seen, as soon as you visit a website, to collect the name and email ID, people have like a form appear on the website. You have seen such forms, yes? And this form is sometimes irritating, right? This form is sometimes irritating, and it is always on your face, and then you have to close it. So if you want to collect name and email ID on the people who are visiting your website, then having these pop-up forms is always not the best idea. Agree? So here, that is why we have developed Opt-in Chat. And here you can see that as soon as you visit the website, there is a chat window here. There is a chat window here, and you click on the chat window, but this is not live chat. It's not like you need to have someone live sitting and chatting with the visitors here. But in most of the times, if you visit a website, what do you find on the bottom right corner? You find, what do you find? You find a live chat module. Agreed? You find the live chat module, which is on the bottom right corner. So now this particular thing is a chatbot, and this chatbot is not just going to give you answers to the people who visit your website, but it is actually going to go ahead and collect the name and email ID of the visitor without affecting the conversion ratio, because you are asking more questions. All right, without affecting the conversion ratio. Agreed? So what we are basically doing here is that you visit the website and this particular chat box opens up. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on yes. So it asks, hey there, do you want to have a chat module like this on your website? So you click on yes. All right. And then it looks like it's chatting live, right? And then it asks, what is your email ID? Let's get an account sign up for you. So let's say I go ahead and put my email ID. So I put my email ID and then it will ask for the name. So generally what happens is that if you visit a website And if the website is asking only for the email ID, then the conversion ratio is high. If the website is asking for name and email ID, the conversion ratio goes down. If the website is asking for name, email ID, and phone number, then the conversion ratio goes even down, right? So you agree that if there is a form and if there are like a lot of email IDs and a lot of forms, I mean, lot of fields, then the conversion ratio goes down. But here, the advantage is that people do not know how many questions are coming. First, it is asking only for email ID. So you just enter the email ID first, and then it is asking for your name. All right. So let's say I give my name, which is Akshut Goyal. What is this? You want to get thrown out of this webinar? Guys, don't spam on my webinar. All right. Fantastic. I will just go ahead and throw out this person who is coming and spamming on my webinar. Why don't you go and host your own webinars, Akshut Goyal? He's already gone out of the webinar. All right. So sorry for the distraction, guys. I will just put it as all panelists and attendees. So just uh, just put as all panelists and attendees while chatting, and just type clear in the chat box if you are clear about what I told you until now. Fantastic. All right. So let me go ahead and close the chat box right now. So now I'm going to go ahead and answer the name. So I'm putting the name, which is going to be, let's say, high traffic. All right. So now it is asking for another URL. So what is your website URL where you want to use opt-in chat? Let's say hightrafficblog.com. And now I'm answering the question that also. So now you can see that I have put 3 fields, and now I have closed the chat. So please visit this particular URL to sign up for an account. You can get opt-in chat for your website within the next 5 minutes. So now I will go ahead and visit this URL. So now basically what you are doing is that you are doing an interaction with your audience, and your audience feels like you are personally interacting with them. Is this cool? Is this the cool way of collecting name and email IDs if you already have a website? And if you are going to get a website, then you are probably going to go ahead and install it after you install a website. But this gives you very high conversion ratio because you can keep asking a lot of questions to the visitors, and you can put like a chat conversation. All right, so here I will go ahead and sign up. So I will go ahead and put high traffic blog 2000 at gmail.com. Then I will put my password here. It's a blog. Traffic per month is let's say 1000. Website revenue is 100,000. So now I am going to go ahead and sign up for an account. So once I sign up for an account, the first thing that it will tell me is that it will ask me to go ahead and put a JavaScript code on my website. All right. So JavaScript code on my website, once I put that, then what will happen is that, so let's see if I can put the JavaScript code directly on a HTML sampler. Let's see if this works, or I will go ahead and put it on a website. So Anish Chandra, we are working on it. We are going to go ahead and enable it for you. Don't worry about it. So now you understood how this works, right? Very simple way to go ahead and install an opt-in chat on your website. So what I'm going to do is that, since this is my tool, and I'm going to give you like an insane offer for this today, and you can use it to go ahead and install it on your own website. So let me go ahead and see if I can install this on my website. Give me one moment. So installing this on your website is very easy. We also have like an opt-in chat plugin for WordPress. So let's see if I can log in. Give me one moment. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log in into digitaldeepak.com and I'm going to install this inside my website. So installing this on your website is very easy. What you need to do is that you need to go ahead and put it on a CSS and JavaScript toolbox or any plugin that will support installing a JavaScript code. All right. So you can just go ahead and install the JavaScript code there. So here, let me go ahead and install the code. It's as simple as that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on create new code block. And here name is going to be opt-in chat, activate, location hook header, insert first block. So here I'm going to put opt-in chat and then I'm going to click on entire website and I'm going to click on save. So now it's going to take some time because my website is cached and there is a caching plugin on my website. So it's going to take some time for it to show up. But now what I will do is that I will log in inside opt-in chat and how I will show you how we can build that entire chat module there. All right. So digital.com. All right. So now it has come up on my website. All right. So it's working now. And you don't need any technical knowledge to install this, guys. This is very simple. I'm a civil engineer myself. I just know WordPress. I just learned it by myself and you don't need any technical knowledge. So here you can see that, the opt-in chat has come up on the site. You just install the JavaScript code there. And for installing the JavaScript code, you can use the opt-in chat plugin as well. So we have the opt-in chat WordPress plugin. So once you buy this software, we will also have like a webinar where we will teach you how to do this entire thing, how to install it on your website and everything. So here you can see there is a WordPress plugin which you can click on download and then you can use that WordPress plugin to go ahead and use opt-in chat. So here you can see it has appeared on my website. So it says, hey there, and it's also like glowing, right? And here you can see if I click on this, it is asking, hey, thanks for visiting my website. Do you want to subscribe for free updates? You click on yes. And then it is asking for what is the email ID. And then you go ahead and put your email ID. So let's say, hi, traffic blog 2000 at googlemail.com. So if you, so the plugin is just a placeholder for the JavaScript code, Ram Kumar. The plugin is actually not a WordPress plugin. Opt-in chat does not operate as a WordPress plugin. It is still loaded by the JavaScript, but it is just a placeholder for people who do not use CSS and JavaScript toolbox or any other tool. So now I will go ahead and put the answer here. And then it just says thank you. All right. So now what you guys can do is that you guys can go ahead and visit my website and see how the plugin form works, opt-in form works. So go ahead and visit my website and see how the opt-in form works and go ahead and enter your name and email ID there. Go ahead and chat, try it out, see how it works. And once you are done with it, just type done once you have done with it. So I will go ahead and click on I have installed. So it asked me, where have you installed the script? So I am saying that I have installed it on digitaldeepak.com and I'll click I've installed. So even if you do not have a WordPress website, if you have a Wix website or anything like that, you can go ahead and just copy paste the script on anywhere, even on a landing page, and then you will be able to go ahead and have this opt-in chat show up there. All right. So website revenue, you can just enter anything, Arif. I'm just showing you a sample. So now we have started collecting names and email IDs, right? We have started collecting names and email IDs. And now here, if I go into view records, you will be able to see these are all the email IDs we have collected. Isn't this amazing? So now you are collecting people's email IDs if they are visiting the website. So for some people, it might take some time to display. And Sami Shaikh, Yes, I am going to launch an affiliate program for this also. Stay tuned for it. So now this is working well. This is working well. Isn't this amazing, guys? Isn't this amazing? Just type, let me know how cool is this. Do you like this? Do you like this kind of new technology in terms of trying to, get people into your collecting the names and email IDs? It will also show you the conversion ratio on the normal opt-in chat, or like normal opt-in conversion ratio for many websites. It's just around 5%, 3 to 5%. But here with opt-in chat, we are able to get 5 to 10% conversion ratio with normal search traffic. So what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and customize the entire experience. You want to know that, you want to know how to customize the entire experience. So I will show you how we can edit the entire thing. All right. So for some people, it might not be popping up right now because the website is cached and it will take some time for it to go ahead and get refreshed. But I think for most of the people, it's already popping up, right? So here, this particular thing will also show you statistics. So here you can see 270 unique views, 216 opened. So how many people opened the chat box, how many people entered their names, and how many people entered their email IDs. So first we asked for email and then we asked for name, right? First we asked for email ID, then we asked for name. So 151 people have entered email IDs, but only 141 have entered the name. So what happens here is that we are able to collect the email IDs first without affecting the conversion ratio. Hena, Abhi, isn't this tool amazing? So now I will go ahead and show you how we can customize this. So here it shows the conversion ratio also. It shows that, no, I won't spam you guys. Don't worry about it. And these email IDs I have collected. I'm not going to add it anywhere. So if somebody does not open the chat box, what will happen? If somebody does not open the chat box, there is something called exit chat. So just like exit pop-up, you can do something called exit chat, where just when you are trying to exit the website, the chat will show up. All right. So isn't that amazing? So let's see how the exit chat works. I will also go ahead and enable exit chat so that I can show you how it works. So this is a tool I have developed myself, guys, and I am so proud of this tool because this tool works very well. So I will show you how exit chat works. So some people are asking, what if people go ahead and do not enter the name and email ID and they just try to exit the website? So the entire chat box goes ahead and appears on the center. So once it appears on the center, it is asking for name and email ID. Hey, wait, before you leave, what is your email ID? Tell me. So now the chat box has come to the center. So just like exit pop-up, now it's called exit chat. All right, so this is how exit chat works. So now I will go ahead and show you how we can customize the entire experience for us. So what we will do is that we will go back here and we will go ahead and edit the campaign. So this is a particular campaign. So Anjali is saying it is a little bit rude. Do you think the exit chat is rude, Anjali? Yes, the exit chat is a little bit rude. So you can also switch off the exit chat. If you don't want the exit chat, we can also switch it off. If it is irritating, if you think that it's going to irritate the user, there is an option to switch it off also. So here, what we are going to do is that we can go ahead and upload an avatar. So what I am going to do is that I am going to upload a picture of mine so that there is an avatar picture. All right, so let's see if I can quickly get an avatar picture of mine. Yeah, so I've got my face and we are going to go ahead and yeah, you can soften the language. Some people said that, hey, wait, it's, rude. All right. So, maybe we can go ahead and change that. And so now we have went ahead and put my avatar also. So here I am going to configure the top bar name. All right. I'm going to configure the top bar name here. And what I'm going to do here is that, so this is the top bar name. So what you see here is the top bar name. So welcome to Digital Deepak. All right. Okay, that is too long. All right, I will just put it as Digital Deepak Chat. All right, so this is the top bar name. Now the intro text. So the intro text is the one that is showing up when you visit the website. So once you visit the website, there is like a small pop-up intro text, right? So everybody is able to see my screen, or is my screen stuck? Are you able to see my screen? 1 second, I will just go ahead and share my screen again. All right, so when you are visiting the website, there will be like a welcome screen, right? So what happens here is that we have another feature where if a visitor has visited the website, already opted in, it will not show up the pop-up again. There is no point of continuously showing the pop-up again and again to the visitor. Agreed? So it will not show the pop-up again. But once the pop-up shows, whatever is written on the pop-up, that is what you can configure here. Hey, do you want to sign up for my internship program? Let's say that's the latest thing I have. So this opt-in chat does not affect your page load speed at all, guys. This is very, very lightweight, and it does not affect your page load speed because it loads something called asynchronously. It does not wait. It does not restrict the loading of the website, right? So how does the pop-up know if the visitor has visited before? If the visitor has visited, they opted in, then there is a cookie. So using the cookie, we go ahead and try. So if any of you are interested in getting this tool, I'm going to give you like an amazing deal towards the end. I'm also going to show you another tool. So how many of you are interested in getting opt-in chat for your website? Just type me in the chat box if you are interested in getting opt-in chat for your website. So this tool normally is going to cost $49 a month, the premium plan. The premium plan where you can customize all these things is going to cost $49 a month. But today I'm going to give you like an amazing mind-blowing offer. I'm going to give you a yearly deal, and then I'm also going to give you like a lifetime deal. If you want it for free, there is also a free version. If you want this software for free, there is also a free version. But in the free version, you will not have integrations, you will not have customizations and all those things. And you can, in the free version, you can use it for multiple websites. All right. So I'm also going to show you an email marketing tool, which is going to help you send out a lot of emails. So we will do this webinar until 5 o'clock. All right. So now you can go ahead and intro text would be, hey, do you want to sign up for my internship program? And then the opt-in question will be, hey, do you want to sign up for my internship program? And here we can go like a little bit detailed one, Digital Deepak internship program. And then reply for no. What if they say no? You can configure that. What if they say no? You can go ahead and configure that. Email question. Hey, that is great. What is your email ID? Then it asks the email question. Then it is asking for the name. You can ask for the mobile number also. So what is your phone number? And you can also validate the mobile number, because if they enter wrong information, it will say it's not a correct information. So then you can, optional open-ended question also you can ask. What are you? Student, professional, or entrepreneur? So you can go and collect that information also. So you can ask like an open-ended question, or you can ask, hey, why are you here for? All right. And then you can say, thank you for subscribing to my email. And then I told you, no, exit intent pop-up. You can enable exit intent pop-up if you want, or you can disable it. So I will go ahead and click on save. You can also do A/B testing on this. All right. You can also do A/B testing on this. You have all these integrations. You can connect with different email marketing tools. You can also connect with Google Sheets. So let me go ahead and try connecting to Google Sheets. So if I click on connect to Google Sheets, then it will go ahead and create a Google Sheet. So here you can also enable double opt-in if you want. So once I have connected Google Sheet, if I click on view sheet, it has automatically created a Google Sheet here. All right. So it has automatically created a Google Sheet here. And in the settings, you can also go ahead and connect to your Gmail account and send out a welcome email from your Gmail account directly without even having an email marketing tool. So that is Gmail connection. Then we have view records where we can see all the things here. And then you can sort the questions. You can like rearrange some of the questions that you are asking. So these are all the options that we have, guys. And if I go into settings, you can also go ahead and change your branding. So you want to change your base color to, let's say, green. I can go ahead and change it to green. And outer ring color can be, let's say, blue. So that it can match with your website. It can match with the style of your website. All right. So outer thing, I can do it as this color. I'll click on update. And now you can go ahead and visit my website and see how it works. All right. So go ahead and visit my website and go ahead and click on hit refresh. So how many of you like this tool? See, I'm the product manager for this. I hired a developer and I got this tool developed, and I hope you are liking this tool so far. So if you have visited from a specific IP address, then in the same IP address, it's not going to show again. All right. So this is how it works. So now basically you have opt-in chat. All right. So you go into campaigns, and then here it says it has showed 401 times. And let's see, view records, JS integration, statistics. You have the settings. You can change the time zone if you want. You have the general settings. You can switch off mobile if you want. If you don't want to show it on mobile, you can switch it off there. You can click save. And if you want to have daily reports, you can receive daily reports. And here you can see, this is the sheet. So here you can see these people are already entering the email IDs here. And as the email IDs are being entered here, we can see all the email IDs appear here. So that's how it works. So now, it might not be showing for the second time because you have already opted in. Many of the people have already opted in. So I just tried once more, and you can see that it's showing, and it is showing with the, so if you like open like a different browser or something, it might show up. So let me just try once more, see if this works. Since you have already opted in and you are visiting from the same IP address, it's not working, guys. All right, so this is how the campaign is. Now you can also go ahead and create like an additional campaign, and this additional campaign can be for another page. So you want to have different questions on different pages. Like for example, let's say you have a career page. So if you want a career page, then you can go ahead and create like a separate campaign. And here, if you want additional websites, then you are going to create a additional campaign. So let's say campaign 2. So once you click on save here, then this is going to be campaign 2. And you can go ahead and create a different set of questions here. You can do A/B testing, you can have integrations, you have settings here, you can view records, and you can sort the questions if you want. All right, so how many of you want to get this tool at a one-time price for life? Because we have server resources. All right, this is not like a WordPress plugin, this is not like a course which we sell for one time and then forget about it. There is going to be a support department for this, and then there is going to be server resources that we are consuming for this, because we need to go ahead and pay for the server where this is hosted. Because if you are installing it on your website and it is getting a lot of views, let's say, then we need to go ahead and pay the server cost for it. All right, so this is the idea that I have, and I have a lifetime license for it. So how many of you are ready to pay as a lifetime license fee for this? This is $49 a month, which is 3,000 rupees a month tool. And yeah, Girish is asking, can you do it on Shopify store? Yes, Girish, you can use it on Shopify store. So how much are you ready to pay? So that I will get an idea about it. Like how much are you ready to pay? Let me know in the chat box. How much are you ready to pay for a one-time fee for life? So this is monthly $50, but I'm going to give you one-time price for the entire lifetime. So how much are you ready to pay? Put it in INR. All right. So yes, you can use it on Wix. You can use it on Wix.com as well. You can use it on Wix, definitely. So I'm going to blow your mind, guys. I'm going to give you an amazing offer. So lifetime license of Opt-in Chat Premium, where you can create unlimited websites, you can customize the questions, and you get all the options. And if at all I'm upgrading the features, which I'm planning to, if at all I'm upgrading the features, you will get the upgraded features also. All right. So you will get the upgraded features also in the Opt-in Chat lifetime license. So I'm going to make you an offer now. And this is going to be for one-time price, lifetime license. And this lifetime license is only going to be for this webinar. You can go ahead and sign up for a free account if you want, and you can go and upgrade later if you want. So I'm going to give this to you lifetime license for just 2,999. All right. So that is OptinChat lifetime license going to be for 2,999 with unlimited number of visitors that you can drive for your website and lifetime support and hosting. All right. So there is a WordPress plugin for this also. And if you buy the premium version, then you can add multiple websites also. So you can add unlimited number of websites. So if you're a freelancer or an agency, so this is a premium account. OptinChat lifetime license is a premium account. Let me go ahead and clarify it. So it's premium, multiple, unlimited websites, unlimited email IDs to be collected, unlimited page views. So future what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and restrict the number of page views for different slabs. You can install it on blogger.com. You can install it on Teachable also. Yes, Anup, you can install it on Teachable. You can install it on Teachable. You can install it on Wix. You can install it on Shopify. You just need to take the JavaScript code and you can put it anywhere that you want. So right now, Nishiket, right now, if they say no, it's going to just be one simple answer, but in future, I'm going to create these branches, multiple options, multiple messages. I'm going to match this. So Vijay G, that is a good request for a feature to restrict people only with official email IDs, but why would you want to restrict it? If people are entering their personal email, let them enter. You can, filter it later. So this entire offer is only for today, only for this webinar, guys. So if you have got the OptinChat lifetime license, if you have enrolled in it, just type enrolled in the chat box. And once you have enrolled in it, I will go ahead and show you another tool. So I see Bharat has enrolled, Kishan has enrolled, Lokesh has enrolled, Najir has enrolled, Madurai, Sridhar has enrolled, Shweta has enrolled. Guys, this is software. This is not like a course or anything. This is software, which means that there are developers working on this, which means there are server cost being paid for this. And I am doing this only so that I can get it started, and then I am going to increase the price of it. All right, I'm going to increase the price of it. And yeah, so this offer is only for this webinar, and this is a lifetime license. In fact, it is going to cost more for me if you go ahead and use it in the future. So Aradhana, yes, it is going to be lifetime license, unlimited websites with unlimited amount of email IDs that you can collect. So Muralidharan Nair has enrolled. Thank you, Muralidharan, for enrolling. So now let me go ahead and show you another cool tool. Again, this is going to be a lifetime license. Solomon Stanley, yes, this will have optional branding. Can remove the OptinChat branding in it. Aditya Kamra enrolled, Shivakumar enrolled, fantastic. So by the way, guys, if you need any support, the support email ID is going to be support@pixeltrack.com for this. All right, support@pixeltrack.com for this. So again, this tool is only for today and only for this webinar. All right. So now I'm going to show you another cool tool, which I have been using, which is an email sending tool. So now that you are collecting all these email ID, all right. Now that you are collecting all these email IDs, guys, you can go ahead and take a trial at optinchat.com. You can set it up on your website. There is a free version also, but the free version has limited features. So this is like unlimited features, unlimited websites. And Manav, yes, you can do that. So support@optinchat.com, or in fact, support@pixeltrack.com. Mail me at support@pixeltrack.com if you need faster response. So that's about it for OptinChat. Now I will go ahead and so Rinku, yes, you are right. This is So yeah, if you don't have a website, this might not be useful for you guys, right? If you don't have a website, this might not be useful for you. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you another cool tool today. And this is not necessarily my tool, but I'm going to offer you amazing deal on this. So it's called, so if you want to send out emails, okay, so if you want to send out email, now that you are collecting all these email IDs, you also want to send out email to these people, right? And how do you go ahead and send out emails to all these people? So go ahead and click on the link that I have given you in the chat box, and let me know if you have clicked on it. All right. If you have clicked on it, so this particular tool is called SendFox. All right. So SendFox. So when you look at ConvertKit, when you look at Mailchimp and all these tools are going to cost a lot. Because if you go ahead and spend some money for these tools, it's going to be around $80 to $90 a month for 5,000 subscribers every month for unlimited email sending. That's what ConvertKit charges. But SendFox will give you unlimited sending without having to go ahead and having to pay monthly. And I have started using SendFox myself. There is a basic plan which is for $49, and you can get the $49 plan from here, which is SendFox, and you can start putting email IDs into SendFox. So right now we are working on an integration with SendFox directly for opt-in chat, which will be released soon. Or you can use Zapier or some other way to get people into SendFox directly. So I will show you my SendFox account. So here you can see this is my SendFox account, and here you can see if you go into the dashboard, I have 12,000 subscribers in my SendFox account. The plan that you are going to get for $49 is going to be 5,000 subscribers, but there is also multiple plans there. So if you look at the different plans, if you have clicked on the link that I have given you, if you click on view plans, you will be able to see that there are 3 plans: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So in tier 1 we have 5,000 subscribers, tier 2 we have 15,000 subscribers, and tier 3 we have 25,000 subscribers. All right. So here what you can do is that, so Gaurav Das is saying SendFox does not allow affiliate marketing. No email tool will allow affiliate marketing, to be honest. What you need to do is that you need to go ahead and write a review of something on your website. Like for example, I have written a review of SendFox on my website. All right. So here you can see SendFox lifetime deal with 5K subscribers. This link you can send via any email marketing tool. There is no problem with it. So some people are saying you are not able to see my screen. Let me go ahead and share it with you again. So here you can go ahead and send out a mail to all your subscribers and using SendFox. And here you can see I'm getting like pretty decent open rates. Here you can see batch 4 Telegram updates, 86% open rate with 40% clicks. And here I'm also seeing that sometimes the mails will land in the promotion box, but many times the mails is landing in the primary inbox. And it actually depends on your from email ID. If your from email ID is having a very good reputation. All right, you also have automations where you can go ahead and create like an automation series. Here you have the different email lists that you can create, and you can also go ahead and create pages. Like for example, this is a sample page. So here you can see you can go ahead and edit the page, and you can go ahead and let's say this is how the page is going to be, and you can also have like forms inside it, and you can configure the visual style of this. So this is one page that I have. And these are called smart pages and forms. All right. So if I go into smart pages and if I click on promote, and then this is the link. So you can go ahead and start collecting email subscribers directly like this. And people can also subscribe with Google or subscribe with Facebook. All right. You can go ahead and try this if you want. Go ahead and try this if you want. And, so SendFox is going to give you unlimited sending with 5,000 subscribers for life. Because usually email marketing tools will cost around $50 to $80 every month, which means it's around what, $600 per year. $600 is like 40,000 rupees. But here you are going to pay around 5,000 rupees and you are going to get it for life. And that is the lifetime deal of SendFox, which I have shown it to you. So that would be email tool. So deepak.me/email tool. You can go ahead and click on this and go ahead and sign up. All right. So how many of you are going ahead and getting SendFox lifetime deal today? So I am using, so yes, this is like Aweber. Personalization is possible with the name tags and other things. So Shweta Das, if you think that 100 emails per day is enough for you, you can do it. But here you have unlimited sending, which is really good. So go ahead and sign up for an account at AppSumo, but this will have a credit card payment. All right, this will have a credit card payment. So Sagar Dasgupta, yes, this is like ConvertKit. This is ConvertKit. This is not my tool. This is not my tool. I am promoting this as an affiliate, and I am promoting this as a offer for you guys. So here you can see this is how the tool works. It's very simple, very straightforward. If you want to go ahead and create a new email, you just click on create email, you compose it here, you put the from email ID, click on it and click send, and the emails are sorted out. So if you have let's say you have 6,000 subscribers, you have additional subscribers, then in the future you might want to pay $10 for every additional subscriber. But if you want to migrate to some other tool also, you can migrate. All right, so unlimited sending per month. Bharat Reddy, yes, you can do drip marketing here. That is why we have automations here. So here you have the automation series, let's say landing page signups, and here you can see, you can go ahead and configure the email. And here you can see, you can go ahead and exit. So let's go to automations. So unlimited series, untitled automation series. You can go ahead and set up your email. You can configure the email and you can set up a drip marketing funnel here. All right, so this is not time limited, guys. This is not time limited. This offer is probably available until today or tomorrow. And if you want to upgrade, so what I did was that I did not want their branding on my emails, and I wanted my own custom sending domain. So I upgraded for just $10 a month. So I went ahead and got the highest plan. I went ahead and got the Empire add-on, and you can see what plan I am on. I will show it to you. If I go into settings and if I go into billing, then you will be able to see that here you can see this is monthly $10. And you can also use it with debit card, guys. A lot of debit cards are also accepted here. And here you can see I have 12,000 contacts out of 28,000. I actually bought the tier 3 plan with 25,000 contacts, but they gave me 28,000 contacts. So 1 million emails that can be sent every month, and this is lifetime. And I have started paying $10 a month just to go ahead and have this custom domain. So I have configured my custom domain here. So pixeltrack.com. So that will kind of sign the domains directly. All right. So from this, the mail does not go into spam folder. So Sandball, you can just take the email from ActiveCampaign and upload in SendFox directly. It is safe to do that. You are having the double opt-in only within the SendFox. I mean, only within ActiveCampaign. You can just upload it into SendFox. So people are asking, does it support Zapier? So let's check if SendFox is supporting Zapier. Yeah, SendFox is available on Zapier. You can use Zapier also. So I am going to, I am having a lot of my, automations and tagging already on ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit. So I might not shift it immediately, but I am going to go ahead and use SendFox for certain projects, not for all the projects. But if you want like a really premium tool with automations, tagging, custom fields, and if you want custom conditional content and all, you need to go ahead and use ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit. But a lot of people feel that ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit is very costly. So lifetime charge is going to be $49 lifetime one-time fee. All right. So how many of you have got SendFox? Just type got SendFox or got SF in the chat box if you have got SendFox. Do you think this is a good deal? One time unlimited sending. And I think opt-in chat is also like a good deal for you. So Manish is saying I will go for tier 3. Manish, you are welcome to go for tier 3. Anup, yes, you can do that. So how many of you are still trying to make payment for opt-in chat? So whoever has made payment for opt-in chat, please go ahead and sign up on optinchat.com, and I will send you a form. And once I send you a form, I will go ahead and help you upgrade it. I will upgrade it from the backend for you. All right. So for people who are asking, so Sahil, I upgraded for the custom sending domain. All right, I upgraded for the custom sending domain. So it goes from pixeltrack.com signed by pixeltrack.com. So that is optional for you. So people who have free paid for opt-in chat. So I see Vikrant, Nitin, Naveen Kumar, Loknath, Srinivasan, Solomon, Sudhir, Alpesh, Krupesh, Devdutt Das, Sagar Das Gupta, Basant, Nishiket, Murali, Barun. So you guys have all signed up for opt-in chat. Thank you and welcome to the opt-in chat software. And anybody else still looking to purchase opt-in chat? Shreya, yes, you can do that. Debyajit Jyoti Panda, yes, it is for lifetime. So Anish, USP of SendFox is just that it's cheap. It's cheap and it's lifetime license, which you will not get anywhere. So a lot of people are asking for the link for opt-in chat. So let me go ahead and share the link for purchasing opt-in chat lifetime license again. SendFox is also lifetime. Opt-in chat is also lifetime. Nishiket, it's not unlimited number of emails to unlimited email IDs. It is unlimited number of email IDs to 5,000 contacts. Khalid, how is opt-in chat different from other chatbots? Opt-in chat, I have not seen anything like opt-in chat, to be honest. So Devdutt Das, welcome to opt-in chat. Thanks for purchasing opt-in chat. Lifetime license. Let me go ahead and share the link with you again, and our support department will contact you. All right. So let me go ahead and share the opt-in chat link again. So that is the lifetime license for opt-in chat. Yes, you are going to get support. We are going to pay for the server resources, unlimited websites, unlimited email IDs, no limit, lifetime. All right. And I'm going to increase the price of opt-in chat because I'm relaunching the new version now. Sivaya is asking opt-in chat support Telugu language. Sorry, Sivaya, I don't have multilingual support right now, but that is something that I have started planning to do. Current certificate for previous webinars. As I said, we are working on a new certificate tool. We will give it to you. Sophie is asking, is there live chat possible in opt-in chat? No, Sophie, live chat is not possible in opt-in chat. Pratik, yes, you will get lifetime updates. In the future, if I upgrade opt-in chat, then I'm going to give you lifetime. I'm going to give you lifetime updates for opt-in chat. All right. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and share the opt-in chat lifetime license in the WhatsApp groups that we have, so that you can go ahead and purchase it within the next 1 hour. So Hitesh, you might want to check with some of your friends or something. Sometimes it will not show up properly because somebody from the same IP address have opted in. I'm going to go ahead and change that. All right. So Sahil, yes. Dattu, yes, you are eligible for that. Please mail us at support@pixeltrack.com. Nitin Raj, thank you for buying opt-in chat. How is opt-in chat different from ManyChat? So ManyChat is for Facebook Messenger. Opt-in chat is like your own messenger. Opt-in chat is your own messenger. Facebook is for, ManyChat is for Facebook Messenger. So what I will do is that I will quickly go ahead and share this with you. So opt-in chat premium lifetime license with unlimited websites, emails, and campaigns. Emails, unlimited websites, emails, visitors, and campaigns. So I'm sharing this link so you can purchase it in the next 1 hour. I hope you like the tool, guys. Put a lot of thought into developing this tool. So I've shared it on the WhatsApp as well. right? So we want more emails than 5,000 for SendFox. If you want more emails, then you probably need to pay $10 for every additional 1,000 subscribers. Pratik, you enrolled for both. So how many of you have got SendFox? Just type GOTSF in the chat box if you have got SendFox. So some people are asking, what are the advantages and disadvantages of SendFox and Mailshake? SendFox is a bulk email tool. So Opt-in Chat and SendFox integration is coming. We are working on it. We are working on a direct integration with SendFox. We will release it probably in a month or two. But right now you can probably do it via Zapier, or you can do it via Google Sheets. All right. So some people are asking what's Opt-in Chat. So if you have just joined the webinar, you might have missed about what's Opt-in Chat. So I'm sorry about that. So Opt-in Chat and SendFox are completely two different tools. It's not interrelated. SendFox is an email marketing tool, and Opt-in Chat is an email collection tool. Opt-in Chat is my tool, and SendFox is an affiliate tool that I am promoting. So Dinakaran Nair, if you want to get advanced automations, you might need other tools apart from SendFox if you are really operating at a high level. All right, so we have the offer open for Opt-in Chat until 6 o'clock. I will send out an email to you, and then I have to close the lifetime license offer because lifetime license offer is just to get the initial traction. It is not something that is profitable for me because we have to pay the server cost and stuff. And I will also share with you the email marketing tool, which is SendFox on WhatsApp. Deepak Singh, yes, you can do that. You can send a welcome mail upon subscription by configuring your own email tool. $5K subscribers for SendFox, unlimited sending, lifetime. So that's SendFox. All right. So any other questions, if you have, you can let me know in the chat box. If you are still not sure about Opt-in Chat, go ahead and sign up for Opt-in Chat and try the free version first. So if you have any questions, you can let me know in the chat box. Avik, yes, it is for lifetime. Wasim, you can add one optional question. You can have 3 questions, which is name, email ID, phone number. You can have one more questions. So some people are asking about the feature of opt-in chat. Let me just go ahead and quickly check if that feature is available. What we are developing is that we are also going ahead and developing option called opt-in links, where you can share some other website link, and in that website link the opt-in chat would show up. All right, in that website link the opt-in chat would show up. So here you can see, guys, here you can see opt-in chat is an international tool, and opt-in chat is $49 a month. $49 a month is the cost of opt-in chat. Unlimited websites, unlimited subscribers, unlimited opt-in chat campaigns, add brand logo to chat, edit color themes, A/B testing, remove opt-in chat branding, remove welcome email branding, and 10 questions. You can also configure the welcome email. So this is my current plan right now. And people who have already purchased opt-in chat, give me at least 24 hours for you to go ahead and upgrade it. And you also go ahead and sign up on optinchat.com. All right. All right, guys, thank you. And I hope you have purchased opt-in chat, and I hope you have purchased Infox as well. And I hope you are loving this deal. And thanks a lot. And how do you like opt-in chat, right? How do you like opt-in chat? Loving it? You love the tool. And I would also do an opt-in chat webinar for the people who have already purchased opt-in chat. And I would like to get your feedback on what is the kind of improvements that you want in the tool, because I'm going to continuously improve the tool, and I will be able to go ahead and give you updates in the future for opt-in chat. And people who have bought the lifetime license, even if I'm bringing new features in the future, then all those new features are going to be free for you. All right. Thank you. A lot of people are saying I loved opt-in chat. Fantastic. Thanks a lot, guys. All right. I will see you in the next webinar, and I'm doing a webinar tomorrow evening on content writing. So tomorrow evening, I'm doing this content writing masterclass. And how many of you here want to learn content writing? How many of you here want to learn content writing? A lot of people are saying me. Yes. I will go ahead and give you the registration link for the content writing masterclass that is going to be handled, that is going to be conducted tomorrow evening. So let me go ahead and share with you the link to the content writing masterclass. All right, this is tomorrow evening, guys, content writing masterclass. And Savik, there might be, who knows? See, a lot of people are, loving the free webinars that I do, but at the same time, sometimes I will go ahead and offer a product in the webinar. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. If you don't want to buy it, you need not buy it. But I'm paying 70,000 rupees just for my Zoom account. Imagine, I'm paying 70,000 rupees just for my Zoom account every month, because handling 3,000 people live, it is going to cost a lot of money. And then I'm also having employees, I'm having expenses, I'm having ads running. So which means that if I have to create free value, I also need to go ahead and give paid value, right? I mean, like, I need to monetize it also. So I hope that's cool. All right, bye and have a great day. And tomorrow webinar is 9 p.m. All right, tomorrow's webinar will be 9 p.m. I've shared the link with you, which is the content writing masterclass, and I'm going to teach you content writing in that masterclass. So let me go ahead and see how many people have registered for it already. Oh, we have 143 people registered for it already. I will see you guys tomorrow. So content writing masterclass. I will share the link of this in the WhatsApp as well. I will see you guys. Thank you. And bye-bye. Hope you like the webinar. Hope you like the tools that I have shared. So I will be ending the webinar right now. So Prince, as long as you have any website where you can put the JavaScript code, Opt-in Chat will show up there. Some people are asking for a certificate for this webinar. No guys, no, there is no certificate for this webinar. Not giving it.